AVMATRIX PG4K 12G-SDI and 4K HDMI 2.0 pattern generator. Honest Pro signal testing review. The AVMATRIX PG4K 12G-SDI and 4K HDMI 2.0 pattern generator is a professional broadcast-grade tool built for one specific purpose: generating, testing, and verifying video signals with total precision. Think of it as your all-in-one diagnostic hub for 4K workflows. It supports 12G SDI in single, dual, and quad link formats, delivers clean 4K HDMI 2.0 output, and includes 16-channel SDI audio generation. Whether you're calibrating monitors on a live event floor, troubleshooting a routing chain in a post-production suite, or validating display performance during an AV installation, this device slots naturally into your process. It is compact, battery-powered, and built to travel. For engineers and technicians who need confidence in every signal they send, imagine never chasing a ghost fault through a complex chain again. Here are the wins that matter most when you're working in demanding 4K environments. First, true 12 gigabit SDI support at 4K at 60 Hz in a single link eliminates the need for quad split workarounds and high frame rate productions, saving you setup time and reducing points of failure. Second, the built-in 5,000 mAh battery means you test where the problem actually is, on the venue floor, inside the rack room, or at a remote installation site, without hunting for power. Third, the 7-inch IPS display gives you a clear, bright monitoring reference right on the unit, so you are not dependent on an external screen to verify output. Here is where it gets interesting. The USB custom pattern import feature lets you load branded or project-specific test signals, which is a genuine professional advantage during client walkthroughs. Fifth, the LAN port enables remote web browser control, streamlining multi-device workflows significantly. What would that kind of control mean for your next production? Picture this. You arrive at a venue for a live corporate event. The client's 4K LED wall is showing intermittent signal dropout, and nobody can confirm whether the issue is the cable run, the processing unit, or the display itself. You pull out the AVMATRIX PG4K 12 gigabit SDI and 4K HDMI 2.0 pattern generator, power it on battery, run a pathology pattern through the suspect cable path, and within minutes you have a definitive answer. No guesswork, no borrowing equipment. Honestly, the first time a technician uses the moving test patterns for display latency checks on large LED walls, there is usually a moment of quiet surprise at how much information a single pattern reveals. What felt like a complex, multi-step diagnosis becomes a clean, structured process. The doubt that comes with unfamiliar equipment fades fast. Results speak before any manual is ever opened. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Don't just pick any pattern generator. Make sure it has true 12 gigabit SDI single link output and a built-in battery, so you never waste your time chasing signal faults without a portable, reliable reference source again. The AVMATRIX PG4K 12 gigabit SDI and 4K HDMI 2.0 pattern generator delivers exactly that combination. Broadcast engineers have called it indispensable in master control environments, specifically praising the ref-in frame synchronization and the accuracy of pathology patterns for spotting compression artifacts. One field technician noted, the dual 12 gigabit SDI and dual 3 gigabit SDI outputs let me feed a monitor and recorder simultaneously without a splitter. An AV industry analyst highlighted the SFP fiber port as a standout feature, bridging baseband and IP workflows in a single compact chassis. Verified buyers consistently rate the interface as intuitive, even across complex multi-format setups. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for signal accuracy, 2 for portability, or 3 for workflow speed. That answer tells you everything you need to know. The AVMATRIX PG4K 12 gigabit SDI and 4K HDMI 2.0 pattern generator turns complex signal diagnostics into a fast, confident, repeatable process. thousands of broadcast engineers, AV integrators, and live production technicians already rely on it daily. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your workflow. I have dropped my link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and take a look. You deserve a tool that keeps up with your standards.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.